In this video, I'll show you exactly how to assign tasks to your team from inside the CRM, keeping it short and straight to the point. If you're tired of wasting time navigating through your CRM and want to get things done quickly, stick around because I'll break it down in less than 3 minutes. Assigning tasks inside a CRM is a game changer for staying organized and ensuring everything gets done. The first thing you'll want to do is open up the CRM and go to the project or task management section. Once you're there, you'll see an option to add a task. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter details such as the task name, description, and deadline. Now, here's the key part, assigning it to the right person. In most CRMs, you'll see a Assign To field or something similar. This is where you can select the person on your team who will be responsible for the task. Just search for their name and select them from the drop-down list. You can also set priorities, like marking the task as high, medium, or low priority. Next, make sure to set the task deadline. This is crucial for making sure everyone stays on track. You don't want tasks slipping through the cracks. After setting the deadline, double-check the task details to ensure everything looks good. You can also attach any relevant files or links right here, which can be super helpful for your team to reference while working. Once you've filled out the task details, hit Save or Assign, and your team member will get a notification. They'll be able to see the task, its details, and any deadlines or priority levels. This process ensures accountability and keeps everyone on the same page. One more thing. If you're using a CRM that allows for task tracking, make sure to regularly check the progress. You can see when tasks are completed and even make adjustments if needed, like changing the deadline or reassigning the task. Before I wrap up, let me give you a quick tip. If you're using the software we've been talking about today, you'll have access to even more advanced features like automated task assignments, reminders, and reporting. These tools help you manage your team even more efficiently and make sure nothing falls through the cracks. And remember, I've got an exclusive free trial for this software, only available to viewers of this channel. You can find the link in the description below to get started with it for free. To recap, assigning tasks to your team inside the CRM is simple and helps you stay organized. Just go to the task management section, create a task, assign it to the right person, set a deadline, and you're good to go. Stay on top of your team's progress and use automation features to make things even easier. And don't forget, make sure to grab the exclusive free trial from the link in the description. You'll be glad you did. Thanks for watching.